Why do you have cheer this morning? At 8 in the morning. There's a lot of things we can do with this fake fireplace. I'm pretty excited about it.
I don't know if you guys can see this game.
Okay, Gator's gonna demonstrate how to put these together. So you're gonna open it a little bit with the leftovers. I put it in these little things to put in the freezer. Let's see those lips out of the package. No, drop them. Say that. Sweet girl. What are we doing bright and early this morning? Bray Bray has cheer. Why do you have cheer this morning? At 8 in the morning on your day off from school.
Because on Wednesday our power went out, and so like they didn't let us stunt or tumble or do anything in the dark.
Because it was dark?
Yeah, so
Guess that's smart.
I canceled it.
And rescheduled for this morning. And then she also has practice again tonight. So kind of a bummer deal, but they have competition soon.
I'm gonna say it's a holiday, sorry, you can't make it to the next one.
That's how I felt. I was like, it's a holiday, we need to sleep in.
Yeah, that's how I felt too.
It looks like there was a laundry toy bomb explosion that went off in here. Oh my gosh. Kind on laundry, story of my life. Today has went by so fast, I just don't even know where the day went. It is now 5 o'clock. Casey just ran Braylee back to cheer, and I started doing laundry, and that's pretty much what I've been doing all day. Also, I started watching The Walking Dead again, just because if any of you guys watch The Walking Dead, you know what's happening, and I'm so sad, and so I'm just like, wanted to go back and rewatch everything, I don't know. And I honestly have forgotten so much and so many of the people that were on. What? Ah, the bad guys? Ninja Turtle bad guys?
That's
okay.
a Cookie Monster.
That is a Cookie Monster. Who wears that now? Layla?
What?
Does Layla wear that now when she eats?
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh?
What is this name?
Elmo?
Emily.
And Elmo. Cookie Monster and Elmo. I ordered baby gates and I could not figure out where they were. Finally figured out today that I sent them to our old house instead of to the new house. So we need to go and pick those up and get them up quick because she's so fast and she thinks it's hilarious. And if she gets to the stairs, she just like goes so fast up the stairs. It's really cute. She's so tiny that it's just like so funny to watch her cruise up the stairs. Hi, you're a wild one.
Hey, did you see? Wait, don't up the stairs.
Her needs to stay down here. Also, another thing, I got this fireplace screen and I think it's so cute and looks so great. It is from Lowe's. There was one that there were a couple that I really wanted from Pottery Barn, but they were like $250 more than that one. And I just thought, I'm gonna get this and see if I like it, and then if it's worth the investment, maybe I'll do it. But I actually really like this one, and I'll save money, and it's cute. So I'm gonna put like candles in there. I think there's a candle, like a little candle holder that goes in there. I'm gonna put a bunch of candles in there, and then I also wanted to do like a bunch of logs, like fill it up with them this way. So I'm excited to do a lot of fun things. And then we also saw inserts for other fireplaces that you can just plug in, and then it just is like a fake flame. So there's a lot of things we can do with this fake fireplace. I'm pretty excited about it. So anyways, I'm gonna get back to folding laundry. I hope that you guys are all having a happy Monday. It just definitely feels like a Monday to me. Bye.
The elevator.
Did you go downstairs? Whoop. Layla's like, what in the world?
Or
Gager's the cutest brother.
that's cool.
Oh, you're the cutest brother too. The escalator?
Okay,
Gage is a cute brother, Winston's a cute brother.
but I'm cute. What is the most fun?
I'm not saying. You'll have to ask Layla that when she's older.
Brother.
Oh man.
Me. Mom. Who's the cutest brother? Is Winston your favorite brother? Is Gage?
I think that she really loves both of you a lot. Someone just woke up very happy from a nap. What were you eating? Were you eating a little bit of a fruit popsicle? Yeah. She loves fruit popsicles. And I actually put them in, I'll show you in just a second. They're these little like fruit things. Well, you can put vegetables in there too. She loves cucumbers in there. But It's like safe. I'll just show you because I can't explain it. And they make mesh ones, and I tried those ones with Winston. It was like a fabric mesh, and he didn't really like them. And then I saw that they make them out of plastic too, so I got those ones for Layla, and she loves them. Okay, so they're these things right here. We love them. There's a bunch of different sizes. You can put fruits and vegetables in there. You can freeze baby food, and then they'll eat it like a popsicle, or if you have any like little fruit, and you could also make your own popsicles, but if you have any fruit popsicles, you can just cut them up and put them in there, and they're awesome. So we have a bunch of different kinds. And then when they're done, they can also use it as like a teether, or if you just need a toy, we have one that's a rattle, but it's in the dishwasher. Very cool. I just ordered a couple of things from Urban Outfitters because they were having a big sale. And I was hoping that Braylee was gonna be able to come down, but she's taking a bath. So I'm gonna open it up because one, I wanna show you my very favorite shirt right now. I ordered one and then I fell in love, so I ordered the other colors. Are you saying hi? There's like a little button on the side of this camera, and I push it every once in a while, and then it turns my camera off. But Layla was just saying hi. Hi. Anyways, I'm going to show you my favorite shirt and then a really cute, I don't know if it's in there, a cute decoration for Braylee's room. Because I'm hoping that here very soon we can get Braylee's room put together. We're just trying to get all of the pieces and different decorations that she wants. And then I want to start showing you guys like different ways we're decorating and organizing things. I just think that those would be really fun videos. So let me know. And I'm going to open up my boxes and show you my favorite shirt. Okay, this is a shirt that I love. It is so soft and so comfy. It's long sleeved and just amazing. The sleeves are super long too, so I put one on actually, so you can fold them up and it's still long, or scrunch them. It has this button, these buttons up at the top. It is a Henley. It is actually, let's see, it's called OFU Everyday Henley. So that's what it is. It's the greatest shirt. I love all the colors. It's a little bit sheer, so keep that in mind. The other thing, the reviews I read, a lot of people said that they had to size up because it runs small. So when I've actually bought like a couple of these, and so when I bought the first couple that I purchased, I ordered them in a size bigger than what I would normally wear. Even when I usually size up, I ordered a size up from there because I was like, oh, everyone is saying that these are so tiny. And when I got that size, they fit and they're fine and I'll wear them, but they seem like a little bit more baggy. So I ordered a size down and I like them a little bit better. So I also got the randomness that you can find at Urban Outfitters. I also got these ice cube trays because why wouldn't you? And then I got this for either Braylee's room if she wants it, Layla's room if it looks cute in there, or my office. Because, let's see, am I holding it upside down? It's just a cute little picture holder, and I thought it would be darling in any of those spaces. So I knew that we would use this for sure. This is what I got for Braylee. Da 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 da. How cute. I'm not gonna take it out of the packaging until she gets out of the tub, but super cute. When we first moved in, Braylee was like, I want to do this in my room, and I want to do that in my room, and I want to hang lights and pictures, and I want a pair of gold lips. And so we're like, okay, we need to find a pair of gold lips. And we've been looking and haven't really found anything. We thought maybe like a canvas or something like that. And then I was just scrolling through am I saying Urban Decay? I meant Urban Outfitters. So when I saw this mirror from Urban Outfitters, I was like, we have to get it. It's just like meant to be. So she's super excited. And I did think they were gonna be a little bit bigger. I didn't really read the size, but this will actually be perfect. When she comes down, we'll show her that. In the meantime, guess what I'm gonna keep doing? Laundry. It's so hard to keep up on laundry with 4 children. It just really is. It's just a lot of laundry. Can you name the band for $100? Layla?
$100 for you guys that can name this band. In the comments below in your address, we'll send you.
No, that's not true. No, we won't. Wow. Tonight for dinner we are having tacos on the go. I'm gonna make sure this lens is clean. Who's been playing with the camera?
Who's that? just means Mom, that doesn't mean.
What? What is it? Oh, a candy necklace. Winston got a candy necklace, huh?
Yeah,
For being a big boy.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, Layla, that was mean. She's trying to pull you down. What are you doing, lady? Golly. You're rude.
I think this thing's stuck in my belly.
It's stuck in your belly?
I think I was on docking.
They're what?
I think I was thinking this thing fighting.
They're fighting in your tummy?
Yeah.
You know your shirt's on backwards and look at this. Beep. You really did get yogurt on you. But you have a pocket on your back. Okay, I was saying, tonight we're having tacos on the go. So, what you need is some ground meat, and we're having what, honey? Ground deer. And also a bag of like some type of tortilla chip, Doritos. And then you cut up everything that you would put on a taco. So I'm going to cut up some lettuce, tomatoes, cilantro, avocado. We'll put cheese and sour cream in the bag. So I'll show you how to assemble it once it's done, but meat is done, so I'm just gonna cut up the vegetables. This is a really fun and easy dinner for your kids, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, Gager's gonna demonstrate how to put these together. So you're gonna open it a little bit, but hold it closed, and you wanna be careful when you open it not to rip it. Okay, now you're gonna crunch up the chips. Just squeeze them and crunch them up. Braylee has Cool Ranch, which is my fave. They look like this. Right like that. And then you're going to add your meat, or if you don't like meat, skip the meat. Scoop of meat, or 2 scoops, whatever you want.
I'll put a 2 scoops.
Yeah, just whatever you want. Then some cheese. We have sour cream. You could do ranch dressing as well. Some tomatoes, cilantro, avocado, and lettuce. So just whatever you would put on a taco, you just put it right inside of your chip bag. You guys like this? Mm-hmm. This is a good dinner. It's fun.
It's also really good
Were you?
with Cheetos.
Sorry, what was that?
It's really good with puffy Cheetos.
You did it with Cheetos?
I never did this.
Oh, yeah, where were you when we made these?
Canada.
Were you? We made these once with Grandma and Grandpa, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so that's our dinner tonight. I like mine to be more of like a salad, so I put a lot of lettuce in there. So, you know, just whatever you want, but that is tonight's dinner. I started this vlog yesterday, and last night we had, I'm gonna do parentheses, margarita chicken. I realize now that it's not really margarita, but that is a recipe I had. I was actually reading through the comments, which I shouldn't have, and they were from years ago, but people were really rude about my recipe, and I understand now. I'm like, okay, I get it now. But when I made that, I cooked a lot, but a lot of the same recipes, and that was just a recipe that a friend had given me, and that's what she called it, and so that's what I called it. But now I know like what margarita is, and it's not that. But anyways, it's a really good recipe either way, so definitely recommend it. You like it? Okay, go sit down. You ready for some dinner? Let's go over and make yours. Do you want to help me? Okay, let's go put it together. Braylee, did you like these?
Yes.
They're so cute, huh? Mm-hmm. How's Din Din?
Great.
Good, so good. Can you crunch these up? Don't spill them. Just crunch them like that. Squeeze it hard. Crunch them up. You want them to be little. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Okay, you tell Mommy, do you want some hamburger?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get it for you because that's a little bit hot, okay? And then do you want some cheese
Yeah.
and sour cream?
Yeah.
Do you want tomatoes?
Don't eat.
They're ew. Is that what you said? What'd you say?
Don't eat.
They're ew. Is that ew?
No, don't yummy that.
That's ew too. That's what Winston always says if something's gross. That's ew. Makes me laugh.
Wanna know what the best part of this dinner is?
What?
There's not a lot
No
of dishes.
dishes for Bray Bray because that's her job.
hate
Yeah,
them.
Braylee has to do the dishes like I mentioned in a couple vlogs ago. And I always tell her, like, if you just stay on top of it, then they don't pile up. But then, you know, I have a pile of laundry over there, so I'm not a very good example of that.
You know what the worst part of this dinner is?
What?
All the trash.
Oh yeah, Gager has to take the trash out. That's funny. I just finished feeding Layla, and with the leftovers, I put it in these little things to put in the freezer. So Awesome. She'll have them for tomorrow. Let's see those lips out of the package. Don't drop them. Those are so cute. Do you like them?
Yes, they're so cute.
They're really cute with me. The reflection. Rayleigh's like dying to get her room all put together because we have been buying a few things. And
It's so cute.
yeah,
Can't wait.
you're anxious. Okay.
We're doing like a wood wall behind my bed.
Like
It's
wallpaper?
gonna be so cute.
Yeah, it'll be really cute. And she wants to do like string lights and things.
Yeah, like a Polaroid wall.
Creep.
Boys in the hot.
Two boys in the hot tub.
I hope this is
I want to get in there.
Mom, watch this.
What is it?
It's a ball.
Oh, a ball.
Mine.
It's yours?
It skipped across the water.
Cool.
Can I see it?
They only can stay in for about 15 minutes, but that looks real nice.
Is it ready?
Winston, don't pick your nose, sicko.
Wait.
Woo! Cooly, cooly. All right, we're just getting the kitchen cleaned up and we're gonna go to bed. That's what we're doing. I hope that you all had a good day. We'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Good night. Good night. Look at my cute kitty jammies. Night night. Layla. Layla.